let's go. I don't wanna hear you no anymore. Hoping if you really wanna know how fast I go. Kasama ka sa ride, naka-windows down. Naka-windows down.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
How are you enjoying today's driven?
Amazing.
You're going broke. So how much do you think you're gonna spend today?
Probably $50.
$50. Okay, so we're gonna come back around 7 p.m. We're gonna ask you how much you spent. Nee, what about you?
$50.
50 bucks. All right. I am at probably, I'm gonna cap myself at 100 bucks. But I am realistically wanting to spend only 50.
Alright, we'll see.
Chances are it might not even happen. So what are you getting?
I'm gonna buy everything and everything.
It scared me.
Why?
The guy was sitting there, the mannequin. And I
Oh,
was
is it like focus on you? Oh, this. They're in the way. There you go.
Fake taxi one is kind of messed up. That's messed up.
Do I warn a mouse pad? That's fucking sick.
No, you did not. When did you do that?
Oh, heck yeah.
What is he doing?
Yo, rap. Motherfucker, dude.
Trying to figure out
Nee?
Hey, Robbie, you wanna buy?
No.
No, Rubik, hey, you wanna
Oh my gosh.
Are you saying you don't have
Out of my way. Out of my way. This is very.
Oh, Rubik, you wanna
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
This is crazy, guys. They're actually like insane. It's only $5. $5, hey? What could that get you? Okay, let's.
This one or this one?
in the loo?
I know I saw. Which one do I grab?
What did you get?
Robbie, what am I grabbing? Which one do I grab?
Thinking about it.
That one. This one? Yeah. How the fuck do I grab
This
this?
looks like you.
Oh, you just let them know, I guess.
Oh, okay, let's take a picture.
Oh my gosh. Why not this one?
Which one? Both? You want me to file bankruptcy?
No, it's plushy.
Oh.
I don't want to get a sushi.
Huh?
Yeah. So, like 10 seconds later, what happened?
Yeah, this is all we have.
I kind of want to show this.
And I like that one. Oh, double?
You already have one. V-Tex.
So do I get another one?
Yeah, for your back.
Oh, guys, I need another sushi. What is that?
Which one to buy?
Hello, did you eat?
Did I get mystery box? Or just push?
Just one or two?
Or the what?
I get one.
One?
Or the what?
I got one. Is it one, Beb, or two? What is that?
Oh, I got Nas. I got Nas in my car.
So which one do you want? This one or
This one's cheaper by $5.
Damn. What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
What's going on? Make up your mind.
I
can't make my mind up.
I know.
Why did I come here again?
For the mystery box.
Life is a mystery.
I hit it with my head.
What do you think is in there?
Regrets. Probably it was better off with a plushie, but who knows? Maybe it's a
What about you?
Maybe stuffy.
Stuffy? What about yours?
Which ones?
The black one. You got the RWB one.
We'll see what it's in it. It's a mystery box for a reason.
Yeah, guys, I also got one. I got boodled to get one. So, we're gonna figure out what's in it. It's pretty heavy. Not gonna lie, she gave me a heavy one.
Oh, mine's heavier.
Yours is heavier? Well, we'll see.
No, it's more heavy.
Well, let's see.
So where are we going?
We're waiting for a Snorlax, and you guys are gonna open this. No peeking! Knee! Why are you peeking already? What happened?
There we go.
Okay, so what do you think is in there?
Why the fuck did I do that?
Open it.
Okay. Okay, so who's... Yeah, Raph, you go.
Throw your drink first.
Okay.
I'm gonna open it.
Over here. Let's open it. Over here. And then you're right here.
Whoa, what the fuck? Is that a cucumber?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Oh, another mystery box?
And then
Oh, okay.
Kieran's calling.
ah,
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna put that.
And
Toyota.
Ooh, I hate Toyota.
Something in here.
Ooh, another one. Ooh,
3 parts.
go for it.
Whoa, what is this? Electronics.
Oh, you sold that wrap.
Whoa.
You sell it.
I don't need this. I'm
Sell it.
gonna sell this.
Get your money back.
Cucumber.
Get my money back.
That's ang palaya.
One more.
What is that? Aroma.
Aroma.
Oh, it's a
Diffuser.
The fuck?
air freshener.
It's a fruit.
It's a lemon.
It's a lemon air freshener.
It's a lemon air freshener.
Smells good.
It has the code on it too.
Yeah.
Let's party. What do you think?
Alright, who's next? Yeah, good.
Okay, me.
But you
So I
have a
bought the
drink.
$35 box and I fucked it up already. Amazing.
A cucumber.
Oh heck yeah, dude.
Oh!
Oh,
I'll trade you.
What did it say?
Pocari Sweat. I have no idea what that is, but that's okay. Next.
The bottle.
Oh,
Nice.
nice sticker. Okay.
I got Rick.
I got a keychain. Not bad, not bad. I got a water bottle. I got a NOS water bottle. Oh, take this L, dude. This is 20 bucks. This is 20 bucks.
Hey, at least this was $100.
You can probably sell it for probably more though. Yeah, that's true.
What is that?
What is that actually? I got this lanyard,
RWB, okay.
and then I also got
What is inside?
another one of these.
Put that freshener. Is it a cucumber? Is it a
Yeah, how come I wanted the cucumber?
Who is it?
What fruit is this?
strawberry?
Please be strawberry. If it's not strawberry, I'm gonna throw this away. Oh, it's pink.
Ah, it's pink.
What is this? Oh,
Air freshener. But is it?
natural seasonal hill.
Oh, healing.
I don't know.
Smell it.
Open it yet?
Oh, yeah, don't open it
yeah,
yet. I should
don't
open it
open
yet. Okay, well, I'm gonna figure out what it is soon.
Ruby drip.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Okay, so I got the, what is it, $35? And a sushi. Okay,
$35.
I'm the one with nails that could not open it.
You can go to a nail tech.
See, look at that. Thanks, guys. Actually, I have a lash tech.
You have a nail tech too, by the way.
Oh yes, I do.
Right beside you.
You have a nail tech right
Oh
beside
yeah,
you.
right there. Some nail tech.
There we go.
Okay. There's another one.
Something heavy.
Something heavy.
Something flat.
There you go, nice.
Okay.
Wow!
We got this.
Electric energy.
So we got this.
Electric. Got a garbage can. I'll take that. I'll take that from you.
I don't have kids, but to anyone who wants this.
Again. Again. Again.
Falling.
What else? Oh, Dragon Ball. Yeah. I got a box.
Okay.
So we
I
got
hold
a.
this on.
Is it?
Okay. What part is it, guys?
Maybe.
What part
Headlight
is it?
parts.
What part?
Headlight parts.
Alright.
Okay.
Next.
What else? Got another one.
For baby.
Is this for baby? Am I gonna get? Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh, tissue. Tissue.
The dryer. Look at the back.
Oh, perfect.
Oh,
Oh, and then another
Freshener.
air freshener. What are we gonna get?
What
A
flavor?
bird. I think it's
Which one?
I don't know.
I think
What are the choices?
might be lemon. Let's see. Ooh, okay, it's color green.
Man, just put money in
Avocado.
Oh, this is so cute. What? No, it's apple.
Oh.
Oh, pear. Apple,
Yeah, right,
green apple.
pear,
What?
right.
It's a pear.
Here.
Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, I love that. And then I also got Fiat. I don't work at Fiat, nor I do Fiat. Do you guys want this?
Makes 80,000 a year? No.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. So that's my box.
Maybe.
Wait lang.
Like, I like it.
Oh my.
Got a lot of things. We're opening this. It says it's $55.
Yeah, the $55 one. You got a cucumber, ampalaya.
What do you think he got?
I don't even know what that is.
It's an RWB mystery box.
It's nice for turnaround, bro. How much is per box?
This is $35. It's worth it. The $35 ones are worth it. They have lots in it. And parts too.
If me gets mad at you and she's like, don't use it, I can take it from you. It's okay.
Okay, first I got
keychain.
don't open it. Another RWB air freshener. License plate.
Like you're gonna need more.
Can I take that?
That's my thing for the sushi.
What is that? Is that this?
Oh, it's a fan. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, that's helpful today.
Exactly. In the Philippines too. Okay, what else?
I don't need a box. Okay. Oh, I also got a water bottle.
Well, it's not an awesome one.
It's the RWB one.
I got the NOS water bottles too, guys. We're good. Yeah, that's nice.
What else did you get?
Raph, look, it's a headlights.
Headlights again.
They already passed QC.
No, we run away.
Yeah, there's headlights.
No, because he's doing it right away.
Oh, yeah. Yo, we'll walk around, eh?
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Alright, let's see ya.
You know what? I like the bird.
Yeah, this one's
And I like
worth
my
it.
cucumber.
This is more than
Can trade. I'm
55.
open to trading.
This is How long have you been doing this?
3 years.
Oh.
god!
Bombastic side-eye.
Holy cow, that was fun!
How was drifting for you?
It was drifting. It was fast. I got a lot of dust in my eyes, but it was worth it.
Did you end up getting, almost crashing like a ninja?
I couldn't really see what was going on, but maybe we almost crashed back there. Who knows?
Right, well, he's still standing, so you're surviving.
I've survived.
It's a good sign.
You didn't crash.
Would you do it
You didn't
again?
catch on fire. I would totally do it again.
Right, this time, do you want to see more actions, or was it good enough action?
It was good enough. Maybe a bit longer though.
Oh, a bit longer. How long was it?
It was probably a good minute.
Oh, just a minute, and then
Yeah.
they swap.
It seemed like it.
Yeah. Well, that's what happens when you're having fun.
That's right.
Second tower, first tower.
Fuck, that camera has to go like this.
Yeah, I know. For you too. We can't, bruh. How are you?
Every day bagong city, yeah. Di na broke 'cause we made it, yeah. Di na naka-Honda Civic, yeah. Here we look, nasa top, naka-spaceship. Every day bagong city, yeah. Di na broke 'cause we made it, yeah. Di na naka-Honda Civic, yeah. Here we look, nasa top, naka-spaceship. Yung label ko dati sabi nung nangyari, sabi ko easy ka lang. Kala nila sa'kin wala na kung bakit, pero di nila alam. Planadong atake may gustong matali, ako lang nakakaalam. Binibelohan ko lang nung nilabas ko lahat nagulantang. Ngayon naman ang yung city, dati ba lang magkarakiri. Buti naisip si Gigi, tinapos sila sa'kin Gigi. Ngayon ang blessing sa'kin ay umuulan, sinasalo na lang. Every day bagong city, yeah. Di na broke 'cause we made it, yeah.
Anyways, that is a wrap up on our Driven 2025 experience. Good job to JDM Winnipeg. Proud of you guys. The lineup is great. Hoping to give you guys more lineup in the future. You never know. JDM Winnipeg, X Carson Coffee lineup. That would be great, honestly. Alright, peace. Bye.
Every day bagong